Shopee Calculator version 1.14 took way too long to update. I was busy establishing my herbal garden, a tourism spot based in Kamunting, Perak. It is now open to the public. Here, we have licensed Chinese physicians giving guided tours and explanations on herbal plants. Shopee Calculator is a free Excel template. It includes a bunch of modules. It is a highly capable template. Check out the video at the top right corner for how to download and set up. Alright, here's the updates coming to version 1.14. Gross profit module. Added date and SKU filter, so you can see your gross profit within a specific time period or for a specific SKU. The module will now also check the order IDs from the income report. If there's any order IDs from the order report that are yet to be completed, but it is showing in the income report, those orders will be treated as completed orders. Cost calculator. In the advanced version, if you have also imported the product database, you may choose the SKU list from order report or product database or data from both sides. Product database. The template of sales info and DTS info from mass update in the Seller Center has some format changes. The template is now updated to take in these templates. Compare fees. Incorrect formula fixed. Previously, the module has added a new row, but the formula for the index number is not updated. It starts with number 2. Shopee fees. Some changes on the interface and layout. Formulas updates. Multiple formulas updated to adapt the new format for income report and any possible future changes for both order and income report.